Hi guys, so Cyril Ramaphosa approved salary increase for top politicians. Let's have a look. And tell me what you think. Okay, TikTok is acting up. I can't even crop the pages, but let's have a look. President, that's 3 million yakhe nca. Deputy President, 3 million yakhe nca. Ministers, 2 million. That's 2.6 million nca. Deputy Minister, 2.2 million nca. Hey. To find the whole breakdown, please go and watch on my YouTube channel. I dropped the full episode. Speaker of the National Assembly nca 3.1 million nayi izikhaxa ezingaka. Ucima i-DA izawuhamba njani xa abantu befumana izikhaxa ezingaka bethunani? He sana. Ilantuza, chief whip khaxa. Ukuba like I mean, 1.7 million. I mean, that would be enough as well. Ukuba yo. I-Premier 2.5 million nca. That's why uNtuli engafuni ukwehla. That's why engafuni ukwehla. Sana. Hey. Senje ba ininzi imali. Ayinintsi basethi imali ayikho eSouth Africa. Bayaphosisa ininzi imali kweya kwaba bangaphambili. Ininzi gqithi sana. Anyway, I've got the full episode on my YouTube channel. Hayi sanzi izikhaxa.